Welcome students, let me continue our next class on trigonometry and let me continue the 10th example here. Up to previous class we have completed 9 examples and let me continue the next one. See, there is a combination and we need to prove this much is equal to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. Now let me take the LHS part here. LHS is equal to cos 2x is there into cos x by 2 is there. Okay. Minus cos 3x is there and then into cos 9x by 2 is there. See, for this I would like to use the formula cos A cos B 2 times for this also and then for this also, and there is no option for me other than that. So the formula is 1 by 2 into bracket product to some formula cos into cos, 1 by 2 into bracket cos plus cos you will get here, cos of A plus B, that is 2x plus x by 2, okay, and then plus cos of 2x minus x by 2. This is what 1 by 2 into bracket cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So in the next part let me write with negative sign again 1 by 2 cos of what you can write here a plus b, that is a 3x plus 9x by 2. Okay, this is cos of a plus b. Next what is there? Plus cos of a minus b, that is plus cos of a minus b, that means 3x minus 9x by 2. 3x minus 9x divided by 2, and then let us close this. So next work is to simplify and wherever necessary use the next formula, set of formula here. This is equal to 1 by 2 outside as it is into bracket. This is cos of 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5x divided by 2, cos 5x by 2 plus cos of what you are getting 2 into 2 4, 4x minus x is 3x, so cos of 3x divided by 2 you write. Okay, and then this is equal to minus within the bracket 1 by 2 into cos of, see 3 into 2 6, 6x plus 9x, 15x by 2, 15x by 2 plus cos of 3 into 2 is 6, 6 minus 9 minus 3x by 2, this is minus 3x divided by 2. Okay, now this is equal to, I would like to take 1 by 2 common as a whole in the next step, and I would like to remove the brackets also. Then we will see what happens. See, this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket cos of 5x by 2, okay, plus cos 3x by 2. Be careful here at this stage. See, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, it will not affect. See, cos of minus theta, this is equal to cos theta according to our allied angle property. So minus will not affect there. With that sense of mind, you continue the calculations. 1 by 2 is taken outside. So this becomes minus cos 15x by 2 and minus into plus, this is minus, and there is no effect of that minus sign. So what you can write, cos of 3x divided by 2 you can write here. Okay, be careful. Now at this stage, what you can do, cos 3x by 2 minus cos 3x by 2. These two terms can be eliminated. Plus cos 3x by 2 minus 3x cos 3x by 2 eliminate, and what you are going to get in the next step, this is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket cos of 5x divided by 2 minus cos of 15x divided by 2. Take again this one you take it as A, this one you take it as B, and apply what you want to apply now, cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B equal to minus 2, cos C minus cos D. This is not cos of A minus B. Apply cos C minus cos D formula. See, cos C minus cos D formula is, you take this as A, not instead of A you take it as C. This is C and then this is D. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 into sin C plus D divided by 2 into again sign is there, c minus d divided by 2. Now let me apply that result here. 1 by 2 is there outside. This is equal to minus formula will come afterwards. 1 by 2 I would like to write first. See, 1 by 2 is there into minus 2 into sine of c plus d divided by 2. C plus d divided by 2. 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2. That is c, this is d. That is to be divided by 2 again. 5x by 2 plus 15x divided by 2. This is to be divided by 2. Okay. Minus 2 into sine c plus d divided by 2 into sine of c minus d divided by 2. 5x by 2 minus 15x divided by 2. Okay. This is what? Minus 2 sine c plus d divided by 2 into sine c minus d divided by 2. See, further it needs to simplify this. 2 and 2 cancels, minus as it is. Then sine of. What happens you see here. 2 is the LCM here. 5x plus 15x is 20x. This is as a whole divided by 2 here. Okay. Into sine of. What we can write? 5 minus 15 minus 10 x divided by 2, and this is to be totally divided by 2 here. Now what happens? It is the time to eliminate. 2 1s are 2 10s are, and then 2 1s are 2 5s are. What remains? That you write here. Okay. Now you see, this is equal to very delicate step here. Try to understand here. 10x remains, but one more 2 is there, no? 2 1s are 2 5s are. So this remains 5x. Next what? Sine of. This is minus 5x remains in the numerator. Divided by 2 is there. That write 2 here. You know already sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So minus sine 5x into minus sign comes outside. Sine of 5x divided by 2. Minus into minus plus. So this is sine 5x into sine 5x divided by 2. So this is what our required RHS, I hope. See students, let us move to one more interesting example here. Let me take the LHS part here. LHS equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. Okay. So this is what? Cos c plus cos d. This is equal to 2 cos into cos. That is the rule here. 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2. Pi by 4 plus x. This is c. And then pi by 4 minus x. This is d here. C plus d. You need to divide it by 2 here according to a rule. Into cosine is there again. C minus d divided by 2 means the difference of these two angles, and then you need to divide by 2 here. So pi by 4 plus x, but minus d you are doing. Minus pi by 4 plus x. That is minus pi by 4 plus x whole divided by 2 here. Now let us simplify this, we will get the answer. Plus x and minus x cancels. So this is equal to 2 into cos of what you are getting. 2 times pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. That is 2 times pi by 4. Okay. But this is divided by 2. Okay. 2 cancels. Remains what? Pi by 4 remains. 2 into cos of pi by 4 remains. Into cos of. What will get here? See. Pi by 4 eliminates because of opposite sign. X plus x leads to 2x. 2x by 2 is only x. So you are getting cos x. So this is 2 as it is. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos x. See, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x. Okay. Now it is the time to eliminate these two. Root 2 cos x remains here. This is equal to root 2 into cos x. And this is our required right hand side here. So next question, let me take into consideration another similar question. Cos c minus cos d formula you have to use. Let us take the LHS part. Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x I have taken minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, this is cos C minus cos D. Recall the formula. Here the formula to be recalled is cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2 into again sine of C minus D divided by 2. So this is what the transformation formula that you need to use here. So this is equal to cos of not cos minus 2 sine minus 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2. See, in place of C, not only 3 by 4, not only x, 3 by 4 plus x as a whole, and then 3 by 4 minus x in place of D here, minus 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x. This is to be added with D, that is 3 pi by 4 minus x, and then this is as a whole divided by 2 here. Minus 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2 into sine of C minus D divided by 2. C is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Okay. Plus x. Minus sign is to be applied to 3 by 4 minus x. After applying the negative sign, the terms will change their sign. 3 pi by 4 becomes minus 3 pi by 4 and minus x becomes plus x. That is to be noted here. Minus x becomes plus x here. Okay. Now let us simplify this. So what happens? Minus 2 as it is into sine of. Just the calculation is as before. But in this case you can eliminate plus x and minus x. Sorry, one mistake I have done. See, you need to divide it by 2, no? Divided by 2 is there in the rule. And then here in this case plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancels it. And further what you can do? 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. 2 times 3 by 4, that 2 will be cancelled with this 2. So only 3 pi by 4 remains. Okay. Then sine of what you can write. See, this x plus x leads to 2x. 2x is divided by 2. 2 cancels. Only x remains. So minus 2 into sine of pi minus pi by 4 you can write now. 180 minus theta. 3 pi by 4 will get here. Into sin x. Simplify further here only. Minus 2. 180 minus theta, ratio remains same. So sin only. Sin pi by 4. 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. Sin is positive. No change of sign. Into sin x. So this is equal to minus 2 into sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. And then it is sin x. So this is equal to minus of root 2 into sin x. So this is our required RHS. And this completes the solution for this example here. So next example. Something to prove. Please concentrate here. Let me take the LHS part. Cos x plus cos y raised to the power 2 and then sin x minus sin y which is raised to the power 2. See what you need to prove. Once we need to use the formula cos c plus cos d. Next time we need to use the formula sin c minus sin d. Recall the formula cos c plus cos d. 2 cos into cos relation is there. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos into sin is there. Let us apply that. This is equal to c 2 times cos of c plus d divided by 2 x plus y by 2 into again cos x minus y divided by 2 here. This is the formula for first one. Square is there. Above square is there. You write that square and then in between plus is there. Okay. This is sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 x plus y by 2 into sin is there in the rule itself c minus d divided by 2. That's why what you are going to write x minus y divided by 2 you are writing here. So this is equal to, square is there, you maintain that square here. Okay, be careful, the calculations are somewhat tedious here. 2 square is 4, you can write 4 cos square of x plus y by 2, okay, into cos square of x minus y by 2, cos square of x minus y divided by 2, okay. 2 square is 4, 4 into cos square of x plus y by 2 into sin square of x minus y by 2 into sin square of x minus y divided by 2. Now it is the time to take a common. 4 times cos square, observe carefully, 4 times cos square x plus y by 2, here 4 times cos square of x plus y by 2, this is common. Take that common factor outside. What happens? 4 times cos square of x plus y divided by 2. By taking this, what remains? Cos square of x minus y divided by 2 remains, plus sin square of x minus y divided by 2 remains. See, I have taken 4 times cos square of x plus y by 2 common. By taking outside, within the bracket what remains? Cos square of a certain angle, x minus y by 2 is there, plus sin square of same angle is there. So this is of the form cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1, first identity. So the answer is 4 times cos square of x plus y divided by 2 into 1, and hence this is equal to 4 times cos square of x plus y divided by 2, and this is our required RHS. Is it clear? Now let me take into consideration the next example. See what's that next example. Again similar example is it, as before. Dicto ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, LHS ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is cos x minus cos y to the power 2 plus sin x minus sin y, which is raised to the power 2. Okay. Cos c minus cos d. The formula is minus 2 into sin into sin. Okay. C plus d divided by 2, that is x plus y by 2, into sin is there, x minus y divided by 2. See, for the first case I have applied the formula. Square is there here, you maintain that square as it is. Again, sin c minus sin d, put the bracket, 2 into sin c minus sin d is 2 cos into sin, 2 cos of c plus d divided by 2, that is x plus y by 2, into sin of c minus d, that is x minus y divided by 2. Okay, take the square of this, isn't it? So this is equal to minus 2 to the power 2, that leads to plus 4, sin of x plus y by 2 square, that leads to sin square of x plus y divided by 2. Similarly, this is sin square of x minus y divided by 2 here. Same link in the next part. Plus sign is there, carry it. 2 square is leading to 4 here. Square of this 2, square of this 2 is 4. Square of next cosine term, that is cos square of x plus y by 2, into sin square of x minus y divided by 2 here. Concentrate here carefully. What you can do at this stage, sin square of x, not only sin square, along with that 4 also you can take. 4 into sin square of x plus y by 2, 4 into 4 is there here, 1 minute, minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2, it is correct. 2 cos into sin x plus y, x minus y, that is also correct. What is common, you carefully observe here? Yes, it is there here. 4 is there, 4 is common here, both the side 4 is there here. Apart from that 4, you can take it near this term, no? Sin square of x minus y by 2. Here also sin square of x minus y by 2. That term you take outside. sine square of x minus y by 2. By taking that sine square of x minus y by 2, what it will be? This is equal to 4 times sine square of x minus y divided by 2. If you take, remains what? Sine square of x plus y by 2 plus cos square of x plus y divided by 2. Okay. This is leading to what? 4 times sine square of x plus minus y by 2, and this is a standard identity, first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So 4 into sine square of x minus y divided by 2. ಅಲ್ಲಿ x plus y by 2 ಇದೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಎರರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು x minus y, ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, and we got the RHS. Okay, so this completes the solution for this example. Now let me take the next example. There is a combination. What is that combination? Sin 3x plus sin x is there into sin x. Next, cos 3x minus x plus of cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is there. This is equal to, you need to prove here, 0, right hand side. 2 times I would like to apply the transformation formula. For this sin c plus sin d, for this cos a minus cos d. 2 times you apply. What happens, you see here. Sin c plus sin d is 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2. That is 3x plus x by 2 into 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into cos of 3x minus x divided by 2 into sin x is there outside. You write this sin x as this plus cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin into sin. Minus 2 is there, minus 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2, that is 3x plus x by 2 into sin of 3x minus x divided by 2. Okay. Now you see sines, what's that? Sin c plus sin d. Confirm ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರೋದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. To sin cos, it is correct. Sin c plus sin d, no problem. Anyhow, let me continue. 2 as it is. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x by 2. That is sin 2x you are getting. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x by 2, that is 2x. Into cos of 3x minus x is 2x. 2 cancels, only x remains. Into sin x you write. Into sin x. Plus into minus minus, 2 write as it is. Into sin of, see, 3x plus x is 4x. 4 by 2 is 2 only. So this is 2x. Into sin of 3x minus x is 2x. 2 cancels, only x remains. This is equal to, this is equal to 2 sin 2x cos x. Any mistake here? Plus outside cos x is there, that I have not written here. You see, for this we have applied cos c minus cos d minus 2 into sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. Outside cos x is there, that cos x is to be maintained here. Into cos x, you need to write here. So this cos x will come here. Okay. Now what happens? What we need to prove, equal to 0 now. 2 is there with minus sign. Sin 2x, sin 2x. Sin x is there, sin x is there. Cos x is there, cos x is there. Both the terms are same. See here, once again I would like to rearrange. 2 into sin 2x cos x into sin x. Same terms with negative number. Minus 2 sin 2x is there. Next cos x. You see here cos x is there. Exchange that into sin x. So exactly same. So the terms will cancel and this is our required. Just entirely cancels, no? Entirely the terms are same. So answer is 0 here. So this completes the solution for this example. Now let us continue another interesting sum, which is a solved example in our textbook. See students, tan pi by 8 value we need to find. See, there is a tricky question here. It is, you take x is equal to pi by 8. So if you take 2x, it becomes what? 2 times pi by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are, so pi by 4 you are getting. 2x equal to pi by 4 you are getting. But we have the result tan 2x is equal to. See, 2x equal to pi by 4 we have. So tan 2x is equal to multiple angle property 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. See, 2x equal to pi by 4. So you write tan pi by 4. 2 into tan. X equal to, you have taken pi by 8. Substitute. Pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. This is 1. So you are getting 2 into tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Now it is the time to substitute tan pi by 8 equal to another variable apart from x. X anna ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. If you put tan pi by 8 equal to y, another variable y I will have to take. See, 1 is equal to 2y, 1 is equal to 2y divided by 1 minus tan square y, 1 minus tan square y, 1 minus tan square y. Okay, you cross multiply. Sorry. Tan square, not y. Tan pi by 8 itself equal to y I have taken. So this is y square. 1 minus y square. Now you cross multiply. 1 minus y square is equal to 2y. Shifting this 1 minus y square to that side, it becomes y square plus 2y, and then plus 1 becomes minus 1 here. I have shifted entirely 1 minus y square to that side. So plus 2y remains as it is. 1 changes to minus 1, minus y square changes to plus y square here. And left side 0 remains, that only I have written to the right side here. Solve it by using the formula method. So use the formula y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This result you use. Using this, how can you write it? Y is equal to minus b means 2 plus or minus square root of b square, 2 square is 4, minus 4ac, 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1. Am I correct? A is 1, c is minus 1 divided by 2a. That is 2 is there in the rule, y a is 1. So y equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root. Minus into minus plus, so this is 4 plus 4, which is 8. Y equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 8 divided by 2. So y equal to what you can write to? 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 8. See how can you write it? 4 into 2. Root 4 value is 2. So 2 root 2 we are getting now. So plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. Divided by 2, you are getting y equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2 you are getting. 2 eliminates entirely here. So y equal to, you have two options, minus 1 plus or minus root 2. It means y is equal to minus 1 plus root 2 or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 2 here. See, y is equal to, this is root 2 minus 1 or y is equal to what you are getting? Minus 1 minus root 2. See, this is definitely positive. This is negative here entirely. Minus 1 minus root 2 is definitely a negative value here. So there is a logical conclusion here. Please concentrate here. Pi by 8 lies in first quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant. So tan pi by 8, which is definitely positive in first quadrant. In first quadrant, this is positive here. So this negative value is to be, this is not possible. So you have to exclude it. So you have to accept only y equal to root 2 minus 1, which is a positive value here. Therefore, the conclusion is, therefore, tan of pi by 8, y means tan pi by 8, no? This is equal to root 2 minus 1 is the final answer here. Okay. So this completes the solution for this example. Now let me continue some other interesting problems in the next class.